Did you know that over 150,000 people die every day in the world? Yes, it is true. About 100 people die every minute in the world. It is the cycle of life. Someone is born and someone dies. Death is the greatest mystery. It arouses unrivaled curiosity in people. That is why some of the greatest writers, poets, scientists, and philosophers of the world study the topic of death. What happens after a person dies or during the dying process, no one can say with complete certainty. This video contains strange and amazing facts about death that will help you relieve tension regarding this topic. Number 1, hearing is the last. According to scientific research, hearing is the last to go, and people always tend to share their thoughts with loved ones in the last minutes. It is also believed that when a person dies, talking to him does not allow him to pass away. Number 2, you can't die of old age. Research shows that people don't actually die of old age, but die of diseases related to aging, untimely actions, and accidents. Scientifically, old age is not recognized as a direct cause of death. Number 3, white light is not a myth. Science claims that people actually see a white light right before they die. According to scientists, most of the human brain shuts down right before death. When the shutdown process occurs, the person begins to see a white light at the end of the tunnel. Number 4, out-of-body experiences are real. According to research conducted in Switzerland, people actually have out-of-body experiences before they die. This is because when life is about to leave the body, stimulation occurs in the right hemisphere of your brain. Most reports of near-death experiences said that people actually felt like they were floating above the room and could see and hear what others were doing and saying. Number 5, facing death is good for you. Research shows that actually facing the idea of death and accepting that it's going to happen is good for your health and will make you live your life to the fullest. Number 6, doctors' handwriting is scary. Research shows that doctors' handwriting is responsible for over 7,000 deaths in the United States alone each year, because one wrong letter on a prescription can lead to disaster. Number 7, consciousness continues minutes after death.
Doctors, scientists, and researchers believe that people actually experience consciousness and remain alert for minutes and sometimes hours after death. That's why some people report experiences after being brought back to life.
Number 8, people eat themselves after death.
Sounds horrible, but research shows that 3 days after death, the same enzymes that break down food begin to eat the body.
Number 9, cells die too. Did you know that your cells die even when you are alive? According to science, over 300 million cells in your body die every minute. Such a scary fact. Number 10, the living dead.
Cotard's syndrome is a rare mental disorder in which people believe that they are dead. The person believes that their body is decomposing or that they have lost too much blood.
Number 11, the leading causes of death.
One of the leading causes of death in the world is caused by lack of physical exercise. According to the WHO, the leading causes of death worldwide are coronary heart disease, stroke, lower respiratory tract infections, and chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. Other leading causes of death are malaria, HIV/AIDS, and diabetes. Air pollution alone kills over 7 million people worldwide every year. Research has shown that the fear of death decreases with age. It seems counterintuitive to think that as you age, you'll be less afraid of death, but studies have shown that this is true. One study found that people in their 40s and 50s were more afraid of death than people in their 60s and 70s. Similarly, another study found that people in their 60s were less worried about death than middle-aged, 35 to 50, and younger adults, 18 to 25. Car accidents kill 1.2 million people worldwide each year. Poverty kills 29,000 children every day worldwide. There are more than 200 corpses preserved on Mount Everest. 830 women worldwide die in childbirth every day. There are more suicide victims than murder victims. More people die from selfies every year than shark attacks. Thomas Edison's last words were, "It's beautiful there." Remember, not to be afraid of death, you must have a meaning in life. And the main meaning of life is to live happily here and now. Enjoy life today. Don't wait for some special moment for your happiness.